Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your age on Google step by step. First, open Google on your mobile phone or computer and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Then tap on your Google account icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Manage your Google account. This will open your account settings page. Here, tap on the Personal Info option. In the Personal Info section, scroll down until you find the birthday option, then tap on it. On the next screen, tap on your birthday information to edit or set your date of birth. Now enter your correct birth date carefully. Make sure all the details are accurate because Google may use this information to verify your age and provide age-appropriate services. Once you have entered the correct date of birth, tap on the Save button. Google may ask you to confirm the changes before saving them. If prompted, simply follow the on-screen instructions. After saving your birthday information, your age information will be updated on your Google account. And that's it. This is how you can verify your age on Google. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.